Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. And if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex Daytona, this one in 18 karat rose gold or ever rose gold with a new Sundust dial with index markers and black subdials. The model reference number for this watch is 116515LN, and the retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $30,500 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap. And I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. This Rolex Daytona is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full size for most guys. The case material is ever rose gold, also known as rose gold. This is Rolex's special alloy that keeps rose gold looking like rose gold instead of turning back into yellow gold over time. The sides and lugs of the case are polished to a mirror finish, and it has a screw down case back here for extra waterproofness. The case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on the wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. You're just probably not going to be going diving with it. And you should also make sure your chronograph button pushers are screwed down properly and anchored. Let's try this on for size. Remember, this is a 40mm watch, and it's also on my medium-sized wrist, which comes in right under 7 inches, 7-inch wrist. Lugs don't go over. This would be a proper fit on my wrist if the Oyster Flex strap was fitted to my wrist as well. It feels nice. Going into the bezel, the Rolex Daytona has a high polished black ceramic bezel. There's a tachometric scale that's engraved onto it, and the scale has rose gold baked into it as well. The full all-gold version of this watch, the 116505, with a rose gold bracelet, comes with a rose gold bezel. So they're different looking watches, even though they would have the same kind of dial, Panda Sundust dial with black subdials. The all rose gold one's going to have a rose gold bezel. So I like the contrast of this black ceramic bezel against the rose gold case. Just kind of wraps up this dial nicely. I also like the little triangle points of reference on the tachometric bezel as well. Makes it easier for you to find. Now going in the dial, we're looking at this beautiful Sundust color dial with index hour markers. We have black subdials at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. It's a really nice contrast and gives this watch a great look. A lot of people are excited about this new color, the Sundust color. Looks really good in person too. The Sundust dial with diamond baguettes is a $6,250 upgrade, but that dial is going to have a full Sundust color without black subdials. This 116515 has luminous index markers, so you can actually read this in the dark. You're going to see like luma on the hands, hour and minute hands as well. I turned on the light so you could see the lume, but my camera settings don't allow it to be shown, unfortunately. Here we see the crown at the 3 o'clock position. This can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out. It's going to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hour and minute hand set, you can go ahead and clip that crown back in, screw it down, and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 4130 movement. It has the hour, minute, and chronograph function. No date function, unfortunately. Now the power reserve is about 72 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, and it will still be keeping time. It does have a rotor in the back, so it is self-winding, so the movement of your wrist is actually going to keep it wound. Now under the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a black Oyster Flex bracelet. Now Rolex calls this, well, it calls the rubber straps bracelets. They introduced this bracelet with the Rose Gold Yachtmaster 116655, and it was being offered on some other models, most recently with the Sky Dweller as the most recent. This strap has fins underneath, so it's designed to actually hold onto the wrist and allow it to breathe, allow your wrist to breathe while holding the watch in place. This folding safety oyster clasp here opens and closes up. It's a nice fold over design. And this deployment buckle also has an easy lick extension as well that opens up the bracelet about another 5 millimeters, so you can breathe even more on hot days. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, overall this watch feels like really easy on the wrist. It's not too chunky, it slips under the cuff easily. It's a sportier look than a Daytona with a metal bracelet, that's for sure. This black ceramic bezel looks great, and it's also scratch proof and resistant fading. It works well as a weekend watch because this does not have a date function, so it might not work as well as a Submariner or a Datejust on a daily basis. Now, I wouldn't mind seeing this watch on my wrist on the weekends. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 116515LN. This is the Ever Rose Gold Rolex Oyster Flex Daytona with Sundust and black subdials. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.